creative, and I used to tinker with toys that are broken. I fix them. When I see something that is not functioning, I try to find ways that can make it function again. My childhood was very creative and very fun, and my mother and my dad did their best to provide for me.
That's why your profession now is
IT, I'm in IT.
yes.
It's kind of like the same with Legos. It's problem solving. You put codes after codes, and yeah, it just works.
And aside from that, yeah, you tinker with toys. You're into IT. You are also an animal rights advocate. Tell us about
Yeah,
that.
animal welfare advocacy. It started because back when I was a kid and still in Pulamalok, we had a dog. His name was Betchai. It was our first dog, a German Shepherd, and it just irked me that Betchai was killed due to my neighbor parking and not seeing Betchai on the road, and it just hurts me that animals don't get rights even if they were killed unjustly. It's not even for them, and they deserve to be fought for.
And you have 15 adopted dogs.
Yes,
now.
I do have 15 adopted dogs.
Name them.
I named Max, Mocha, Bravo, Yumi, Yuki, and Dobby. There's also Rio. There's Lottie. There's Kira. There's Chamcham. There's Cholo. There's Ozzy, and a few more actually. The last three dogs died. So that was Betchai, Brownie, and Cloud.
How tall are you?
I am, last time I got measured, it was 6'4", but I'm still waiting to get remeasured right now.
6'4", barefoot.
Yes,
Wow.
6'4" barefoot. I use the, what do you call this again? The measuring tape that extends. So yeah.
Tell us about your pageant history. How many pageants have you joined before? What
Well-
were your titles?
Not really many pageants. Most of my titles were either in third or fourth place, or sometimes second. I get lucky and I get second. And for Ginong Tabukanal, no, I meant like my old pageants were like school-based. So
So, what brought you here? Why did you join Mr. Philippines International or Mr. International Philippines?
Because I was presented with the opportunity, my old management hinted me that there would be a screening for Mr. International Philippines, and I said, why not? I should take a shot at it, and I think it would be a great venue to like showcase who I am, my skills, my advocacy, and yeah, me.
Okay, so let's try.